Good morning, everybody. So, I'm actually going to take the S10 out for S10. I'm going to take the BMW out for a little bit, and it's going to be the first time I actually crank it up in this neighborhood. It's going to be fun. It's so loud. Oh, here we go. Oh, gotta get my keys out. That's probably going to help. Shouldn't crank up since I got up here. Here we go. Not too bad. Not too loud of a cold start. Well, there it goes. Yeah, my neighbors hate me. I bet they're probably gonna hate the shit out of me. Luckily, these people only have to see me for about 2 more weeks, so maybe 3-ish. I'm not exactly sure. So we're gonna go out, and there's this big ass candy store we wanted to go check out, and it's supposed to be Minnesota's largest. So we're gonna check out a bunch of stuff in the area, and yeah, check out these bugs too. Just look at these fucking bugs. They're everywhere on Michael's bumper here. I mean, I saw what the name of it was. Something to do with this tree right here. I can't remember what the name of them was, but it's all because of that tree. But yeah, I need to adjust my BMW back over there and put the Prius. Yeah, so it's weird. The yard setup is really weird. Like, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Hold on. Like, the neighbor's yard, you would think stopped at the fence, but it actually stops right here. So the Prius is technically sitting on their property right now. So I want to go ahead and get it out of their property. Right? So, and you can see the vehicle setup we have right here, because it's not a whole lot of space, but the permanent house has a lot more space. So this is all a candy store. It's supposedly Minnesota's largest one, so let's go inside and check it out. I have a selection of root beers here. This place is huge. All root beer. Butterscotch. Ooh, I want some frost. Yeah. Wish they had the blue cream soda frosties, but they don't have those no more. Look at this place. Dad's root beer candy. Chiclets. Sour bowls. Oh wow, orange sour, black cherry sour, watermelon sour. Wow. Man, there's so much stuff here. Root beer drops. Yeah, I know. All of them. Guess that's a big old gummy snake at one point. I would eat it. But the keys are good. Yeah, talk about probably not any good anymore. What is that? Oh, gummy zoo buddies. They look kind of weird. Some Cletus popcorn. Gonna have to get some for him. Look, they're not gone. They're still here. It's the same ones too. I used to get the stallions all the time from the Kings from the gas station all the time. All this taffy. Like, this whole area is just taffy. So much taffy. Oh, yep. Gotta get that crate. Whew. Man, I don't really care for taffy though. Got a big old Iron Man there. What's up, Iron Man? I love the sound of that thing. Every time. Yeah, just getting out and enjoying the day, exploring our new place. Maybe I can hold this. I just love that sound, man. That's a great sound. It's always a good sound. People think I'm revving up at it all the time, and I'm really just listening to the sound of the turbo. I can't wait for you to get it on, Michael, so you can experience it too. I mean, you experience it riding with me, but it's a totally different experience when you're driving. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, as soon as I can sell the ham van, I'm building mine.
Neighbors gotta hate us. No, our neighbors probably hate the shit out of us right now.